Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today's video is a setup for my September mini HP bullet journal. So September is coming soon, so here, or it's already here when I upload this video. I should be here ready. So let's start by taking out the spreads that I already created. Since this is my work bullet journal, I do not have habit tracker or anything like that. I don't really track my habits or anything like that, so it's only gonna be the cover page, the calendar, and then the first week of September. So this month's theme is lavender. I searched some stuff on Pinterest and I thought, like, I haven't done a spread for lavender yet, so I thought, like, why not, let's do a spread on lavender. And then I could use some of these this cute Tombow color in 603 to draw in the flowers. I could also use this one, this light bluish purple, and 60. So I already have it all sketched out, as you can see here. So right now I'm just gonna start writing in September in this color. Then I'm going to use a black pen to draw in these small dots. I'm going to use my Uniball Signo DX in 0.38. One of my favorite pens. I'm also use the same black pen to draw in the lavender. Then I'm gonna color in the little lavender and purple. I'm gonna wait until it dries a little bit more. Since I think this pen does smudge if you don't let it fully dry.
Not the type to go out to keep on searching, lost in the moment right now, but girl, you're hiding, and I have been looking so long. I know you feel it. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Nothing, no, don't take away this feeling.
And now we're on to the calendar. I'm gonna use a pen for the calendar. I'm gonna use this Kikki pen in 0.4 tip in black. And then I'm gonna check the calendar. All is done. Let me erase the excess. use the color. So it starts on a Tuesday, ends on a Wednesday. So Tuesday, since I do Monday starts.
You're not the type to go out, to keep on searching, lost in the moment right now. But girl, you're hiding, and I have been looking so long. I know you feel it. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Something that I can't describe. And why can't you see that I have been searching so long? No time was wasted. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling.
Got this, so this is done. And now I'm now on to the spread. I guess keeping this simple spread these days. For the dates. So as I said, like in my previous videos, I only do Monday to Friday on my bullet journal since this is my work journal, my work planner. I just do Monday to Friday, and then I don't do Saturday or Sunday else. Doesn't make sense for me to do Sunday because I'm not gonna use it, right? And it's a waste of space. So I just did the filler part is the notes.
Something that I can't describe. And why can't you see that I have been searching so long? No time was wasted. What are we waiting for? And nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling. Nothing, no, nothing, no, can take away this feeling.
complete spread. Let's put it back into my bullet journal and then let's do a quick flip. So this is the cover, this is the calendar, and this is for week 1 of September. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next week. Bye!